What if I told you the difference between a faceless YouTube channel that earns thousands of dollars every month and another one that barely scraps a few cents isn't luck? It isn't timing, it's how they use AI. Yes, two people can start the exact same niche channel, upload the same type of videos, and yet one becomes rich while the other quits. And the real separator is how they use the AI. Let's break it down. First, let's get clear on what a faceless YouTube channel is. You have seen them before. Those channels with no host, no camera presence, sometimes not even a real voice. Instead, they use visuals, stock clips, animations, and voiceovers. Think about top channels in motivation, history, mysterious gaming, commentary, or even finance. The creators don't show their faces, but they're racking up millions of views. And if you think it's just posting videos, you are missing the secret ingredient. Here's the truth. Rich faceless channels use AI like a business partner. Broke ones treat it like a shortcut. Let me explain. Rich channels understand that AI isn't just about generating a script. It's about creating an entire production pipeline that's faster, smarter, and more consistent than any one person could manage. They use AI tools to research trending topics, predict what audiences want, and even analyze competitors. Before a video is even made, they know the odds of it getting views. On the other hand, broke channels, they just type "write me a script about money" into ChatGPT and call it a day. That's the difference between strategy and laziness. Now let's talk about content quality. Rich faceless creators know that every second counts. They use AI not just for writing but for refining, cutting out fluff, adding hooks, and shaping their videos for retention. They understand that watch time is king. So their scripts are engineered for engagement. They don't just rely on one-click voiceover either. They will test multiple AI voices, tweak pacing, even add emotion so the video feels human. Broke channels, on the other hand, just grab the default robotic voice and slap it on top of a slideshow. Guess what? Audiences notice. And then there's visuals. Rich channels use AI for video editing, image generation, and even animation. Tools can now create custom graphics, dynamic stock footages, alternatives, or AI-driven B-roll that keeps viewers hooked. Broke channels, they're still recycling the same overused stock clips everyone else has seen 1,000 times. But here's the biggest difference, which is systems. Rich faceless channels use AI to build repeatable, scalable systems. They automate research, batch create scripts, and schedule content weeks ahead. Their workflow looks like a factory line. Idea generation, script, voiceover, visuals, edit, upload, all assisted by AI. They don't depend on motivation or random bursts of creativity. They have turned their channel into a machine. And what do broke channels do? They upload once in a while, burn out, and wonder why nothing is growing. And let's not forget optimization. Rich faceless creators use AI to generate titles, thumbnails, and descriptions that are tested for click-through rate. They don't just guess. They know exactly what words and visuals trigger curiosity and clicks. And on the other hand, broke channels, they upload with generic titles like "top 10 facts about space" and wonder why no one's clicking. Now you might be thinking, but doesn't everyone have access to the same AI tools? Yes, and that's the irony. The tools are available to everyone, but not everyone knows how to use them strategically. Think of it like you can give two people the same camera. One becomes Steven Spielberg, the other barely manages a blurry birthday video. Same tool, different mindset. So here's the reality. AI don't make you rich by itself, but AI combined with vision, consistency, and systems, that's the formula. Rich faceless channels treat AI like a leverage. They multiply their time, their effort, their creativity. Broke ones treat AI like a cheat code and then blame the algorithm why it doesn't work. Now let me give you a practical takeaway. If you are starting a faceless channel, here's how to avoid the broke mindset. Step 1. Stop chasing shortcuts. Use AI to research before you create. Step 2. Refine your content. Don't just generate it. Ask AI to punch up your script, make it engaging, add storytelling hooks. Step 3 is to invest AI-powered visuals and voices that feel unique. And step 4, build systems. Even if you start small, create a repeatable workflow that you can scale. Because here's the bottom line, the difference between a broke faceless creator and a rich one is not the niche, not luck, not even the algorithm. It's whether you use AI as a crutch or as a weapon. So the question is, how are you going to use it? Let me know through the comment section. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. I will catch you on the next video.